Hi guys, in the previous couple of episodes you saw me splitting the second bedroom to create a new bedroom and completely new bathroom. So you saw the bathroom all finished off, so now let me show you the other side of that wall. Hi guys, so today I'm showing you the finished bedroom on the other side of that wall where you saw the new bathroom. So this room's a lot smaller than it was originally, but it does fit everything in that it needs. I had a bit of a nightmare with the footage for this one. Everything was so rushed on the run up to Christmas that it was a case of just needing to get it sorted. So in terms of this room, what was done, it was basically once the stud wall was up, it was boarded, plastered, all painted in white, and then a grey carpet was added. So in the new year I was looking at it and it was just like a bit too white, and then I did a few finishing touches in the new year as well to get it how it's looking now. So really annoyingly, the time lapse that I did whilst I was painting this didn't focus, which seems to be a bit of an issue with this camera today. Whilst the wall's dry, I'm going to get the bed up and then start building the drawers that I've got for in here and get everything put together. Fan of colour, so I just don't really feel like it's got much personality, so I don't know whether I'm going to be 100% happy keeping it like this forever. It may end up with some wallpaper and a few other bits in here, but because it's only the spare bedroom I just wanted to get it looking nice without spending any money. So the only thing that I did spend money on was a new set of drawers from IKEA, so it's the IKEA Hemnes, just so that I've got a bit of extra storage in here. But I have been spending a lot more time over on the home account on Instagram, so if you don't already follow me over there, go and take a look, because you will be getting a lot more real time of what is going on in the house. I've got one more video to put out for you, which is sort of like where things are up to at the moment before things start happening in real time again. So another video will be coming very soon to show you what I've been doing downstairs, because the chimney in here was removed all the way from the roof all the way down to the ground floor, so that made an absolute mess. So sorry this is short video guys, I hope you enjoyed it and like how the bedroom looks, and I will see you in the next video.